In order to find deleted photos on Google Photos, please go ahead and open up Google Photos like you normally would. Now, the first thing that I always recommend that you guys do is check your trash bin because Google Photos doesn't automatically delete your photos permanently. They stay in the trash for 60 days if the photo was backed up and 30 days if it wasn't backed up. So to check, what you want to do is you want to search the search bar and type in trash right over here. Then from here, you guys will be able to go ahead and find all of your deleted photos. Then you can go ahead and press on your photo and press on restore just like so. Now, if you use Google Photos on multiple devices, the photo still might exist on another phone, on an old tablet, or on a PC or Mac folder. So again, if you use Google Photos on many of your devices, then go ahead and check each device and see if your photo is there. And the next thing I recommend that you guys do is to check your device's local gallery. Sometimes a photo is deleted from Google Photos only, not your device. So to check, go ahead and just open up your gallery app right over here, and hopefully you should be able to find it. But if the trash is empty, if the photo is not in the trash, and if it's past the 30 to 60 day window and it is deleted from all devices, then unfortunately, Google cannot recover it in that instance because Google Photo has no deeper recovery option once trash is empty or expired. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.